Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we ask the big questions. Do I want this? Is it worth keeping? Smash that like button and let's jump in. Today's episode features Max, a kid on a mission to clean his personal space and level up his hygiene. As he surveys his room, Max poses essential questions for each item. Old toys, dirty cups, worn-out clothes? He wonders aloud. Do I use this? Is it clean? Does it help or hurt my health? Did you know clutter collects dust? Or that dirty items can harbor germs? And guess what? Clean spaces help us feel calm and focused. Watch as Max wipes surfaces, tosses out trash, and puts clean items back in their place. So remember, good hygiene starts with smart choices. If it's not clean, useful, or loved, it's probably not worth keeping. Subscribe for more cleanup wins and smart habits.